Are you looking for quick, tasty, and healthy snacks to power through your day? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone just trying to stay energized, today we've got 5 healthy snacks to fuel your day and keep you going strong. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment telling us which snack you're excited to try. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can stay energized too.
Life Extras. Live more life.
Greek yogurt with berries. Let's kick things off with a classic Greek yogurt with fresh berries. Not only is this snack creamy and satisfying, but it's also packed with protein to keep you full. The probiotics in Greek yogurt help boost your gut health, while antioxidants from the berries protect your cells and support your immune system. Plus, you can easily mix in some honey or chia seeds for extra flavor and fiber. Pro tip: keep a stash of pre-portioned yogurt cups in your fridge for a quick snack anytime. Almonds and walnuts. Next up, we have a handful of mixed nuts, almonds, and walnuts to be specific. These little powerhouses are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Almonds are great for heart health, while walnuts provide brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids. This snack is easy to pack, perfect for those hectic days when you need something quick and nutritious. Just make sure to stick to a small handful to keep things balanced. And remember, nuts are calorie-dense, so moderation is key. Veggies with hummus. Snack number 3 is veggies with hummus. Whether it's carrot sticks, cucumber, or bell peppers, dipping them in creamy hummus makes for a delicious combo. Hummus is rich in plant-based protein, while the veggies offer fiber and vitamins to help keep your body running smoothly. Not a fan of hummus? No problem. Try swapping it with guacamole or a yogurt dip for variety. Apple with peanut butter. Snack 4 is sweet, savory, and super satisfying apple slices with peanut butter. The natural sugars in the apple provide a quick energy boost, while the peanut butter adds healthy fats and protein, keeping you full longer. Together, it's the perfect balance of carbs and protein to fuel your day. Tip: go for natural peanut butter with minimal added sugar to keep it as healthy as possible. Overnight oats. Finally, we have overnight oats. Prep them the night before, and you've got a nutritious grab-and-go breakfast or snack waiting for you. You can add in fruit, seeds, or even a scoop of protein powder to make it your own. Oats are a fantastic source of fiber, helping to keep your digestion on track, while the toppings add extra nutrients. Overnight oats are a great make-ahead snack for those busy mornings when you need something filling and quick. So there you have it, 5 healthy snacks to fuel your day and keep you feeling energized. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, these snacks are easy to make and delicious to eat. Which one are you going to try first? Make sure to leave a comment below and let us know your favorite healthy snack. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to keep your friends healthy too. Thanks for watching, and as always, remember to live more life.